Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Uber food delivery app. First, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more related videos. Now open the Uber driver app. Go online to receive the orders. Wait until you get the order. First order 1.6 miles is for £3 and 7 pence. Accept the order. Start navigation to find the restaurant. After finding the restaurant, ask for the last 4 digits of the order number. From the collection section, collect the order and mark it as picked up. Start navigation to find the customer address.
Continue on to cross-cheaping. Slide left.
Follow the navigation to drop the order. When you arrive to the customer address, mark it arrived. You can message or call the customer to let them know. Deliver the food to the customer. Ask them for the 4-digit code. Enter it into the system and complete your trip. Nice! We did our first order. To gain more knowledge and complete future orders successfully, please watch the rest of the video until the end. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. For more related videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. Thanks for watching the video all the way through.